Okay, I got the dash in. I got the side doors done. I got a little bit of work left to do. I still ain't got the bolt gate set up, but everything is in. And shifter. And we have mirrors now. And I washed all the windows. And we're going to go for a little ride down to the neighborhood. Boom, right in gear. And speedometer works, gas gauge works, turn signals all work, everything works. Still need to bleed the front. Still need to bleed the front brakes. Yeah, she runs good. Yep, she does. Yep, that stuff falling off, whatever that was. Well, those. Yep. All right, me and Grandma are going for a ride.
Okay. I think you're.
I know.
What do you know?
I know. See, that's what I'm talking about, boys. You start them off young. You teach them young about them square bodies. Raspberry for me. Hello, John Henry. I don't care. It's clean. Grandpa cleaned it. Well, we got the dash in. She starts right up. Sounds good.
Give her some gas, Mama.
Are you going to take them out first? Yeah, we had a little bit of a mishap when I took it for a ride. The aluminum wheels in the back kind of slid out when I hammered on it. So we're not going to have that happen again. All right, Grandma. Yeah, give me that piece. That goes right here. All right. One click. She's not scared of it. She ain't shy. She's driving worse than I am. Just pull 2 clicks back. No, yep, just pull 2 clicks back. Everything works on it. Turn signals, brakes, everything works. Even the blower motor for the heater works. So what do you think?
I like it.
You ready to go racing?
Yeah.
All right, feed the coals to her, baby. Woo, second gear scratch. You feel comfortable now?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead and park next to the white truck. Well, does it pass your approval? Remember, pull it up and always, yep, to park.
Yes. It does.
Yeah. Okay. You ready to go racing?
Yeah.
So what do you guys think? You guys want to see if we can do some good just doing some bracket racing and see what we can pull out of this whole bird while we're doing it? So what do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
I think we did good. Junior's home. Mr. Kenny is here, out of the Navy officially, honorable discharge, and he's ready to start his life here in Oklahoma again with the new wife and the grandbaby, John Henry, which you guys will see a lot of because he's already got Pawpaw wrapped around that finger. But we went shopping. It was tax return time. And we come across these. Not just one, two. So let me show them to you. All right. First off, this is a 75 motor transmission rear end. Both of them have 12 bolts in them. They're both short beds. This one has a questionable title, but this one has, like I said, full drivetrain in it. Not much for interior, but you know, I have lots of extra parts. Doors, fenders, bits and pieces, all kinds of stuff. Now this is an 80 model. This one I already have the title on. I already own this one. Short box. Don't know what gear ratios there are in them. I haven't pulled or looked at the VINs to see what kind of we're talking about here, but this one is basically kind of completely stripped, except for it's got doors on it. The end, you know, it's never been wrecked. There's no rust. There's no hits or bangs or errors. It's got cross member still in it. The underside of the cab still looks good. It's got 4 rallies on it. Suspension is pretty tight, but you know, I ain't gonna trust none of it. You know, we'll have to go through brakes and all things. Was an electric motor door car. So I've got a couple of them in the batch. I got a whole, the bed, this bed is full of totes and parts and bits and pieces. It was full. I mean, I had every nook and cranny in these things were loaded with parts. And so I brought everything home, took me into the sun, you know, half a day on a Saturday to bring them all home. So this one's already had cab repairs done on it. They're all in a complete state of disarray, decay, but they're mine and they're short beds. And you can tell there's a hole here that I'm going to be patching. There's a fender in there, the green one. That's the replacement. We'll be pulling the skin and doing the skin. We're going to be doing a lot of work, a lot of welding, a lot of fixing, but these are going to be the new projects. So this one, I think I already have the idea. I'm going to put it together, build it, make everything work, and this one is going to get sold. This one, if I can't get the title straightened out on it, this one is going to be the new drag truck. This one is going to be the test bed. I'm going to name it test bed. I'm going to put a tailgate on it and just spray paint test bed on the back of it. The plan right now is that I have another buddy give me a whole slew of parts with a frame and suspension parts and an extra rear end. So we need to get this one off the trailer in the shop because the other one is finished, my daily. I'm already driving it to work. And then we're going to start working on this. And if you've been watching my channel, that door is one of the doors from the first truck we took apart. Because it didn't have one, so I just throw some hinges on there and bolted it up. But the thing is that this full engine in here, completely bolted up. We'll put a distributor in it, and we'll fire it off and see if it'll work. Stay tuned, because we will be working on these. The electrical genius inside is going to be doing a lot of things. He's already got ideas of what he wants to do to retro new technology and lighting and things like that, dash gauges, you know, all kinds of stuff to these, and just to improve even already good design. I think we did good. So if you guys are still here, like, share, subscribe, smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Y'all have a good day, because a good day today could be what?
Better day tomorrow.
That's right, and racing. Y'all be good.